Good morning. Happy December 4th, 2022.
Good morning.
Morning. Morning, V. Good morning.
Good morning. We hiked.
We are about to go hiking. Are you excited, V? Woo woo. Guess what, vlogs? I'm talking to a new man.
Tell them, do they know about your tradition?
Yeah, I'm not supposed to talk to anybody this month because, yeah. Hi. I think I recognize you.
Oh, what's that?
Wait.
Aren't you the
What? I can't hear you. We are at, where are we? Griffith something. Look how pretty the trees are. Hi, it's been 20 minutes in. We have lost all service.
It's all down.
Look at our view, guys. No breathing problems here.
No. Record yourself. See how red you are.
Look to your left, you can see the Hollywood sign. This is awesome. Everybody seems so clean.
Dance has to get really hot.
I know.
It is pretty hot. This is a trail.
I miss Griffith. We're off to see a wizard. Continue the song, V. We have officially lost signal. Oh my god, my hair looks so crusty. My bad head. As you see, none of us are out of breath. This is our view. Isn't she pretty? I'm showing turning around, but okay.
Thank you. Bring some water.
Well, now we're in the hike. Our friends have left us. We don't know where they went. We can't even see. Where did our friends go, Ian?
She's lying.
No, I'm not.
She's lying.
You have proof?
Yeah. They're behind us.
Oh shit. I found them.
Yeah, I went this year.
Come on, friends. You got it.
Look, it's red.
We made it. Damn, look at the view. Hello. No breathing problems here?
No, not at all.
Kim trying to push me down.
What?
Kim trying to murder me.
What?
It's not so bad.
Yeah,
It didn't work though, Pain.
It's gonna get you on the way down, girl. Stop.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. The view is so nice, guys. Hashtag no makeup. Hashtag no
What if I
filter.
throw up?
That'd be good content. Can you do it?
I can like put my mouth full of water and pretend to throw it up.
No. We're on a trail home and we got some food.
Where's the butter?
Tea?
Where's the butter?
Try biscuit.
The butter's melting on it.
One of these.
Good.
This is egg in a basket.
This egg. Let me get more napkins for you.
This is like school lunch.
We're on a field trip.
Aww.
Pumpkin scone.
Like, this, you need a lot.
Try pumpkin scone with me.
Oh, wait, I got an extra knife. Oh, you.
Right, it's so good.
You know what, the hot sauce is pretty good.
No! I'll eat that.
No.
No, fuck it. The hot sauce on that? It's like a 2-second rule. Here, babe. This part didn't touch. This part didn't touch. This part did not touch. You know what? Eat the piece.
Yeah.
No. Eat the piece. Look.
We shall eat it. Yeah.
Can I try the hot sauce with it?
You guys want to try a pie?
Sure.
What kind
V's
of pie?
putting hot spot on my
Pumpkin pie?
scone.
This is so lavender.
Oh, really?
Yummy?
Good. How's it with the hot sauce?
It's cool.
It was good.
You know, a year from now, you'll be like, wow, I'm really glad you recorded our trip. Ian got a pumpkin pie. Look at it. It's so cutie.
Is it soft? I mean, Nicki Minaj. Soft? No.
It's very powdery.
It's too dry. It's too cooked.
Would you eat this, yo?
No.
Yummy, right?
Huh? Is that just a quiche? Yeah. A quiche is like a... I don't even know, honestly.
Isn't it like an egg cake?
Egg cake or like an egg? Yeah.
Interesting.
Egg. It's hot sauce. Mmm. So good.
You liar.
I liked it.
No, it's like, it's not bad.
Not bad.
It ain't good either.
It's not bad. It's not bad. But I wouldn't do it.
I don't think it drastically changed the flavor.
The meat pie? Oh, I love the meat pie.
Like a shepherd pie.
It's very strong Earl Grey.
Yeah, like a chef.
Lavender?
Yeah.
I mean, lavender.
Well, it was there like 6 years ago.
It's strong lavender.
That's like
Yeah,
the one
really
thing
strong.
that like British people ate.
How do you feel?
The meat
Not that
pies.
I like my pumpkin one more. I like my pumpkin.
I like pumpkin.
No.
Thomas got happy tea, which
Okay.
means
The search for happiness continues.
oh, it's like regular. It's okay.
You gotta give it a little bit and you get a very aftertaste.
Oh, really?
I think it's better than the scone.
I like that better.
Oh really?
Oh my god.
I made it to work early, 15 minutes early. Very good. I think I'm gonna take a quick nap. Throw it back. Throw it back. Throw it back. I was gonna throw it back. I'm so sad. I left my camera at Steph's house. I got to the gym and realized I left at our house. So I did gym. I did cardio for like over an hour. And then I had to go back and now I got my camera. But yeah, I also popped my ear. It's like kind of like bleeding or whatever. And yeah, I'm about to go home now. The boy I'm talking to wants to see me, but I said no. I'm crusty, musty, smelly, no lashes. So I said no. But we might see him this week. Okay friends, I just got home, showered, and it's still it's still sore and swollen. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna end the night, end the vlog here. And yeah, so today was very productive. Went hiking. I did a lot of cardio all day, so yeah, pretty productive day. But this is not going away, so I might go to the dentist on Tuesday or something because this is irritating me. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Happy Vlogmas Day 4. See you tomorrow. Bye. I'm gonna my lashes done tomorrow. I dropped my toothpaste.